Alright, so you think you know how comets work? Get ready to have your mind blown. We just had a visitor from another star system, a comet named 3I Atlas, and it did something that, according to everything we thought we knew, should have been impossible. You know the basic deal with comets. They're these big, dirty snowballs. They fly in from the outer solar system, and as they get close to the sun, they heat up. The ice turns straight to gas, and voila! You get that classic glowing cloud and tail. There's a sort of invisible line in space for this, a frost line. For water ice to start vaporizing, a comet generally needs to get within about 2 or 3 times Earth's distance from the sun. But this comet, Atlas, started spewing out massive amounts of water when it was still way out in the cold, right at the edge of that zone where it should have been frozen solid. And I'm not talking about a little trickle. We calculated it was losing about 88 pounds of water every single second. That's literally like a fire hose on full blast. The wild part is, we didn't even see the water itself. NASA's Swift Observatory spotted its chemical ghost, a molecule called hydroxyl, which is what you get when intense sunlight zaps a water molecule and breaks it apart. So, how is it pulling this off? The leading theory is pretty cool. It's probably not the main body of the comet that's sublimating. Instead, the comet is likely shedding a cloud of tiny icy dust grains. Because these grains are so small and so cold, they heat up super easily, even with the weak sunlight that far out. Okay, so why does this matter? Here's the kicker. This comet isn't from our solar system. It's an alien. It came from a completely different star. So, when we study its water, we're basically reading a postcard from another planetary system. It's a huge piece of evidence that the basic ingredients for life aren't unique to our little neighborhood. They're out there, all over the galaxy. This is what makes it so exciting. Atlas is only the third interstellar visitor we've ever seen, and all three have been completely different. The first one, Oumuamua, was a bizarre, dry, cigar-shaped rock. The second, Borisov, was loaded with carbon monoxide. And now we have Atlas, this premature water blaster. It's like the universe is telling us that there's no single recipe for building a solar system. The variety out there is probably immense. Every time one of these things flies through, it completely rewrites what we thought we knew. We're getting a direct peek into the chemistry of other worlds, and it's showing us the universe is a lot weirder and more wonderful than we imagined.